Hi, and welcome to Stamp with Ginny. Today I'm going to walk you through the January-June mini catalog last chance list, and we can mark our catalogs together. If you would like, you can print off the last chance list from my blog, and of course you'll want a pen or highlighter of some type so that you can add these items and mark them clearly in your catalog. So I'm going to set that aside and we're going to get started. We're going to start on page 7 with the You're Amazing kit. This kit is a wonderful kit. If you haven't checked it out yet, you'll want to do so. And it has a coordinating stamp set. Both of those are going to be on the last chance list. The Flower and Cactus and the Refill kit is also on the last chance list. This happens to be a product medley, so it includes everything you needed. The Love You Always suite is going to be retiring, and then everything on page 11 except the matte black dots will be retiring. On page 12, you'll want to mark the bundle here as retiring, and then on page 13, all 3 of our items here are going to be going away. The Hearts and Kisses bundle is retiring, along with the individual punch and stamp set. The Lots of Heart dies bundle and stamp set is going away. On page 16, both the items here are retiring, the Valentine keepsakes and the cards and more, along with all 3 of the items here on page 17, the Kangaroo Company, the dies, and of course the bundle. On page 18, the Sweet Collection is going away, but that's because it includes items that are retiring, such as the Designer Series paper. So you'll want to mark your catalog as the Sweet and then the Designer Series paper. Some of these other items will be carrying over into the new annual catalog. I'm excited to say the Mercury paper and these lovely pastel pearls in addition to the bundle. On page 21, we have the Wrapped Bouquet and the dies that coordinate with it, so the bundle is also retiring. On page 22, both the stamp sets will be retiring, and on page 23, the Quite Curvy and the Curvy dies are retiring along with the bundle. On page 24, the Dandy Garden, the Sweet Collection will be retiring. The laser cut paper, the Memories and More pack, the envelopes, these adorable little ladybug trinkets, the trim, and then the Designer Series paper. However, the 2 bundles will be carrying over into our annual catalog. So there's nothing on page 26 or 27 you need to mark. But on 20, Happy Thoughts is retiring, along with the brushed blooms and the coordinating dies on page 29. The Borders background, wildflowers, and the entire page here with the pretty perennials is retiring. For the Fine Art Floral Suite, it'll be going away, along with the bundle price, the Specialty Designer Series paper, and the Fine Art Floral Designer Series paper. The rest of the items will be carrying over, but you'll be losing the 10% discount. And on page 34, you'll want to mark that bundle. On page 35, the Many Messages bundle is going to be retiring, but the stamp set and dies will still be available without the discount. On page 36, all 3 items, including the bundle, are on the last chance list. Along with page 37, we have the Treasured Medallion and the bundle, but the punch will be carrying over. Page 38, you have the Circle Celebration, and on page 39, the Simply Succulents bundle will be retiring. You'll still be able to get the 2 different products in that bundle, but the 10% discount's going away. The Sand and Sea Suite collection. This has been an extremely popular one, and the suite is going away, along with the Seaside Shells here and the Sand & Sea Designer Series paper here. The rest of the items will be carrying over into the annual catalog, and I'm happy to say that the bundle savings will be there also for us. Page 43, both the stamp set and dies are going to be retiring, so that means the bundle is going on the last chance list too. On page 45, we have the In Bloom that's going to be carrying over. However, the bundle is going away. So if you want to save that 10%, you'll want to get it now. On page 46, all 3 items, including the bundle, are on the last chance list, along with the O Snap. Now, this is one of my classes coming up, so if you want to make sure you have that, go ahead and get it right away. The Ice Cream Corner collection is also on the last chance list, which will include the bundle, the striped ribbon, the sprinkles, and the Designer Series paper. Now, the items will be available in the 2021 catalog here, the stamp and the punch, but they will not be in the bundle with the 10% savings. This is another one of my classes, so of course, if you're worried about getting the accessories and so forth that go with it, go ahead and do it right away. The Hey Girlfriend stamp set is leaving us, along with all 3 items here on page 51. We have the Hey Birthday Chick that will be carrying over. However, the Hey Chick and the Hey Chick dies will be leaving. The Woodland Wonder stamp set is retiring, and the Snail Mail collection is retiring, and that includes everything on the 2 pages. We have the Clever Clasps that are retiring here on page 56. And on page 57, all 3 items, the bundle and the individual products, are retiring. We'll skip over to page 60, and the Wonderful As You is retiring, along with all 3 products on page 61. The Vine Design and the Flowering Vine dies are retiring along with the bundle. And you know that if you wanted the bundle and it's no longer available, check out the individual items. Sometimes one will sell out faster than the other. The Back to Blooms stamp set is retiring, along with the Baby Pull Toys, the oval occasions, and the bundle. The great news is the punch itself will be available in the 2021 annual catalog. It's a great punch that's wonderful for sentiments. On page 66, we have the Well Suited suite. All the items are going to be retiring in this suite. So not only the suite, but the individual products. On page 68, all 3 bundle, stamp, and dies are retiring, along with this fun little A Cut Above stamp set on page 69. The Soar Confidently is going to be retiring, along with the Treasures of Life. The Hot Dog set, if you're a pet lover, you'll want to get this before it's gone. And that, of course, ends the regular products that are available. As always, you have your host items. They all are retiring with the catalog and will no longer be available. I hope the walkthrough through the mini catalog helped you to visualize all the items on the retirement list. And of course, you can stop by my online store and look at the last chance category to see everything pictured, along with the discounts. If you'd like any of these products, feel free to stop by my online store. You can get there from my blog, Stamp with Jini. Thanks for joining me.